summer sidewalk chalk, a different rhythm in our walk. We carved our names into that tree and gave a piece of you to me. We made our plans behind the pines, crossing imaginary lines. Then life just pulled the road apart and left a puzzle of my heart. After all the years drawn by the tide, I found you standing by my side. Two scattered pieces of a single soul. You came and finally made me whole. We lit a fire against the cold, a story waiting to be told. After all these years, we built a world inside four walls, learned to fly and break our falls. We chased the dreams we left behind. The rarest love is the second kind. I watched you dance across the floor and knew I couldn't ask for more. I thought our chapter had been written, a forever I was given. After all the years drawn by the tide, I found you standing by my side. Two scattered pieces of a single soul. You came and finally made me whole. We lit a fire against the cold, a story waiting to be told. After all these years, then quiet thunder skies turned gray, a whispered fear that wouldn't fade. The doctor's words, a stolen light. The longest day turned into night. We held on tight, we fought so hard, played every single hopeful card. I swore I'd stand and take the pain and walk with you through any rain. Now after all the years have washed away, I stand here